We'll guide you through how to make an enchanted golden apple in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. The enchanted golden apple is super OP and it gives you a load of awesome effects. So it's important to note that this recipe was actually removed in the 1.9 Minecraft update, and so future versions don't have it. If you're using 1.8.9 or older, you can go and make it though. And if you're using a version newer than 1.8.9, we'll need to go and get a data pack in order to craft it, but the recipe will be the same. So when looking for a data pack for this, I came across quite a few different ones, but here's one I found here, which I'll go and link down below. If we go and click on versions at the top here, we can see the different versions. In this case, I'm going to get the 1.8.2 version, as that's the version I'm using. So we can click on download like so. After it's downloaded, return to Minecraft and quit the world. And then all you need to do is go and click on single player, find the world you want to add it to, and then go and click on edit. Click on open world folder and then go into data packs. Now go and open up another file explorer, and all you need to do is go and drag in the data pack like so, and that's it. Then what you can do is press save and open the world. And so the recipe for this is 8 gold blocks and then 1 apple. So place the apple in the middle of a crafting table and surround it with gold blocks. And as you can see, you'll get an enchanted golden apple, and when you consume it, you'll get loads of awesome effects. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.